Got the stompers on today to drift the Hellcord. Just look around. It's the perfect opportunity to drift a front-wheel drive automobile with the little Hellcat decal on the side. I don't know if y'all peeped that yet. Just added that recently. Now, the last time I attempted to drift my car a couple years ago, I broke the transmission. So let's hope that doesn't happen this time. Let's turn off traction control. Got a little button right here because it's a sports car, clearly. Keep in mind, this is a professional driver on a closed course. Do not attempt to recreate this. Now, we gotta start by just seeing, how much traction do we really have in this vehicle? And what does it take to lose it? Like, what if I just... We're getting active! Yo! Get these wipers out of here, they're too loud. That was crazy. I didn't have to do much. I'm glad I don't have to do much. I don't want to break my strength. Yo! I just hit the... Dude. I just hit the handbrake and we're sliding out. I don't know if you can even really tell, but dude. Okay. Got my handbrake still on, might be. This is like one of the only good parts about snow. Like driving in snow on the road, sometimes it can be a little scary, especially like on the freeway when it's like all eyes. But if you want to like chill a little, closed course like this, yeah, give me that snow. Give me that snow. Literally, the handbrake does so much. It does so much. I love it. I love the handbrake. Now, I already know some people are going to be yapping in the comments like, bro, you're just spinning in circles. I know. Calm down. I'm not trying to actually do something crazy just because I'm not trying to break my car. I really don't want to break my car. So I'm just trying to go real easy on it. Let me just pick up some speed and watch this. Let me pick up some speed and then we're just gonna... Oh! Not too shabby. Hopefully the camera angle is good. I'm trying to keep the camera down so you can see everything. The line in here is kind of bad because I have like 5% all around. I know I'm just going in circles, but I'm having fun just like feeling the rear end kick out. Like in a front-wheel drive car, it just feels crazy because like it's not supposed to happen. Like this is not supposed to happen. Good old Hondeezy putting in that work. Dude, this is the first time I've driven this car in like over 2 weeks. Like it's just been sitting at the crib chilling. I've been driving the daily. Dude, holy oh my, I'm gonna make myself dizzy. Holy dude, I can't even make this up. Literally on the way home, I was just cruising normal. I was spinning a little bit in the snow, and then all 3 lights for traction came on. The normal traction button, TCS, and I'm sick, calm down, and ABS. I think the whole traction control system is messed up as of right now. There is no traction control in the Hellcord. If you want to know what's going on with the Hellcord and where we're at to making this a reality and actually V-swapping the car, I just dropped another episode of Road from Meme to Reality, and it's on screen right now, so just click it to go watch it.